We knocked them out. We knocked out where they make the drones, and the drones are less effective now. And also, we have new machinery to kill the drones. You saw that. The computerized bullets, they call it, and also lasers. The laser melts the drone. It's a beautiful thing to see.
Well, President Trump hyping up new autonomous weaponry used by the American military overseas. And my next guest company is leading the way. Allen Control Systems scaling up production of its AI-powered robotic weapon station, Bullfrog, to ensure U.S. dominance on the battlefield. The company just completed its Series B funding round, raising $200 million, now valuing the company at $2.2 billion. Joining us now here in New York, Allen Control Systems CEO Mike Wior. Mike, congratulations.
Thank you.
It's
Thank
great.
you very much.
Yeah, that's incredible. So tell us, how do you plan to scale up production? What does this latest infusion mean for you in the company?
What's really amazing about our robot is it is built primarily from commercial off-the-shelf components. It is not a exquisite piece of hardware like a Patriot missile or things that we can buy from supply chain vendors, multiple companies, and really get to the scale that we need. So we're taking kind of a big chunk of the money and just putting it into getting that supply chain flywheel spinning. And then we can really get to thousands of units a month as soon as we possibly can.
Explain Bullfrog. Talk about this system, and you know, it's counter drone weapon station.
Right.
It's deployed across several branches of the U.S. military, correct?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, with the Navy and the Army. So Bullfrog is a robotic gimbal. It is essentially a very, very fast and accurate system that is able to take a ballistic solution that you would need to intersect a bullet with a drone and be precise and quick enough to perform that.
Intersect a bullet with a drone.
Absolutely, yeah.
And the drone can be fast enough for this. That's incredible.
So yeah, so we actually, as a drone is maneuvering in the air, they start to tilt in a certain direction, and as we see it tilt in that direction, we can start to anticipate where it's going to go from there and put the bullet where it needs to.
And you reported a 100% success rate when they did counter drone testing.
We did. Yeah. The last two evaluations we did, we came out with a 100% success rate.
That is incredible. All right. What do you make of all of this?
It's incredible. I mean, we just saw unmanned aircraft or unmanned vehicles rescue the downed helicopter pilot a few weeks ago. Have you faced any sort of issues, even working with the military, trying to change some of the regulations along the way? Because this is a brand new sphere. This was not in use 10 years ago, obviously. So what sort of challenges have you encountered as you try to work with the U.S. military?
I mean, we are able to align ourselves with pretty standard rules of engagement. So while we are an autonomous system that is able to go out and interact with the real world without latency causing issues with being able to track a real world target, we always have an operator on the loop watching the video feed saying, yes, this is something I want to engage and shoot out of the sky. So for now, we align with the kind of policies and engagement procedures that are inherent within the DoD. As the threat expands and we start to have hundreds of drones in the sky that you can't let an operator approve each one, we're going to have to carefully consider how we expand the system's ability to engage quickly enough.